Welcome to lesson 2, and this chapter is called 今天是星期几? What day is today? So let's get started. So if you don't know how to pronounce 1 to 10 numbers, then I recommend you to go to lesson 1. Anyway, let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce from 11 to 100. So 11 is 11. So first we put the 10 and then 1, that become 11. 12, 12. 13 is 13. 14 is 14. 15 is 15. 16 is 16. 17 is 17. 18 is 18. 19 is 19. 20 is 20. So this 30 you'll be like 30 because 3 first and then 10. Anyway, let's get to 21. As you can see, R is 2, 10 is 10, E is 1. That's become 21. R 10E. 22 is R 10R. 2 10 2, that becomes 22. And then R 13. 2 10 3 becomes 23. Then 24. And then 25. As you can, I tell you that 30 is 3 10. That is 30. And then 31 is 31. 3 10 1. 31. 32 is 32. 33 is 33. 34 is 34. And how about 40? So if you know 4, 10, that is 40. And then it keeps going on, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Then 100 is E pi. E is 1 and pi is 100. So E pi is 100. That's quiz time, guys. Quiz time. So if you can pronounce it all numbers by yourself, I promise you have mastered the numbers from 1 to 100. So anyway, let's get started. 11 is 11. 22 is 22. 18 is 18. 35 is 35. 47 is 47. 59 is 59. 73 is 73. 86 is 86. 92 is 92. And as you know, 100 is E pi. So basic vocabularies. 现在 is now. 几 is how much, how many. 点 is o'clock. 课 is quarter. 上课 is attend class. 时候 is time. 吃 is eat. 早饭 is breakfast, or you can say 早餐. Both are the same. 半 is half. 明天 is tomorrow. 有 is have. 课 is class. So later on I'm gonna teach you how to say time. So we're gonna use this o'clock, quarter, and half. And week is 星期. We or us is 我们. Not have 没有. 不 is no or not. 上午 is morning. 下午 is afternoon. 生日 is birthday. 月 is month. 晚上 is night. 睡觉 sleep. 中午 noon. 休息 rest. 今天 today. And there will be a new character in my dialogue. Maria, and it's Maria, and she's from England. So as you know, I was gonna take your time. So as you know, one is yi, two is son is oh no, two is liang, and three is san, four is si, five is wu, six is liu, seven is qi, eight is ba, nine is jiu, 10 is shi, 11 is shi, 12 is shi. And so as you can say, this is san dian. Dian is o'clock, so san dian. 20分, 20 is 20 minutes. So how about this? This is 1点半. Pan is half. As you can see, pan half. 1点半. Yi is 1 o'clock. Pan is half. So 1:30. This is 8点. 8点 is 8 o'clock. 5分 is 5 minutes. This is 11点25分. 11 o'clock 25 minutes. This is 6点. 6点 is 6 o'clock. 45分 is 45 minutes. And for this is 5点 is 5 o'clock. And 35分 is 35 minutes. So fun is minutes. Over here is 2点. As I've tell you, when telling the time, you cannot say 2点. This doesn't sounds wrong in Chinese, so you should say 2点 is 2 o'clock, and 40分 is 40 minutes. For here is 10点, 10 o'clock. 一刻 is quarter, as you know. 刻 quarter. 10点 一刻 is 15 minutes. Over here is 9点50分. 9 is 9, 点 is o'clock, 50 is 50, 分 is minutes. 9点50分. Over here is 4点, 4 is 4, 点 is o'clock, and 10分 is 10 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you more vocabularies, which is very useful in your daily life. 起床 is wake up or get up. 下课 is dismiss a class. 上网 is surf the internet or use the Wi-Fi. 上网. 洗澡 is take a shower. 看电视 is watch television. And 上课 is attend the class. 吃早餐 is 吃 is eat. 早餐 is breakfast, so eat breakfast or have breakfast. 睡觉 is sleep, go to bed. 睡觉. Sentences. So as you know, if you have, so I'll make sure when you are before learning sentences, you know how to you must know the vocabularies, and you must know how to pronounce it, so that when you are having learning this sentence, it will become more easier for you. So 现在 is now. 几 is time. 点 is o'clock. 了 is the modal word. So 现在几点了 is what time is it now. 现在 is now. 是 is. 七 is 7. 点 is o'clock. 15分 is 15 minutes. So it's a 7:15 now. 现在是7:15分. And then number 3, when will you attend class? 你 is you. 什么 is what. 时候 is time. 上课 is attend the class. So when will you attend the class? 你什么时候上课? And when do you have breakfast? 你 is you. 什么 is when. 时候 is time. 吃 is eat. 早餐 is breakfast. 你什么时候吃早餐? So it's when do you have breakfast? Number 5, I have breakfast at 7:30. So 我 is I or me. 七 is 7. 点 is o'clock. 半 is half. And 吃 is eat. 早餐 is breakfast. So it's 我7:30吃早餐. I have breakfast at 7:30. Number 6, will you have classes tomorrow? 你 is you. 明天 is tomorrow. 上课 is classes. Ma is a question word. So make sure when someone say ma, you must know this is a question word. So 你明天上课吗? Will you have classes tomorrow? And then what day is tomorrow? 明天 is tomorrow. 是 is and 星期几 is week or day. And so it's what day is tomorrow? 明天是星期几? So you can, in reply, you can say tomorrow is Friday first. So 明天 is tomorrow. 是 is. 星期五 is Friday. 1号 is first. So 明天是星期五1号 is tomorrow is Friday first. And how to say when it's your birthday? 你 is your or you. 的 is a modal word. 生日 is birthday. 是 is. 几月几号? 几 is how many or how much. So 几月几号 is which month and which date. So in Chinese, the date format is first you have to put the month and then the number. But in Western is like you first put the month, a day, and then the month. But in Chinese is the first is the month and then the day. 几月几号? 几月 is month, 号 is number. So do you have rest at noon? 中午 is noon. 休息 is rest. 吗 is question word. 中午休息吗? Do you have rest at noon? So let's go to dialogue 1. So 现在几点了? So 现在几点了 is mean what time is it now? And then 102 said 现在是7点1刻. 现在是7点1刻 is 7:15 now. 你什么时候上课? 你什么时候上课? When will you attend class? 102 replied 8点钟. 钟 is, you can say 钟 is also o'clock. 8点钟 is 8 o'clock. And Ali replied 你什么时候吃早餐? So when do you have your breakfast? And Amila said 我7点半吃早餐. And Amila said I have breakfast at 7:30. Dialogue 2. 明天你有上课吗? As you can see, ma is a question word. So Ali is asking, will you have classes tomorrow? And Pawei said 明天是星期六. 星期六 is Saturday. 我们不会上课. 我们 is we. Don't have 不会 is don't have 上课 attend class. So tomorrow is Saturday and we won't have classes. And Ali is 明天 tomorrow 不是 is not 星期六. So tomorrow isn't Saturday. And then they would say 明天星期几. What day is tomorrow? And then Ali say 明天是星期五1号. Tomorrow is Friday. As you can see, Wu is five, fifth. So Monday is Yi, Tuesday is Er, Wednesday is San, Thursday is Si, Friday is Wu, Saturday is Liu, and Sunday is Ri. Yes, not Qi, Ri. So 星期 is week. So Friday first. And then David replied, 我星期五早上上课. So 我 is me, 星期五 is Friday, 早上 is morning, 上课 is have attend class. So that way on Friday morning he have class. 但是 is but. 下午 is afternoon. 没有课 is 没有 is don't have 课 is class. So I have classes on Friday morning but not in the afternoon. Dialogue 3. So there's a Malia. Malia is from England. She's a woman, yes. And 星期五几号? 星期五, as you have told you, 星期五 is Friday. 几号 is what day? So what day is on Friday? And then 高桥 said 9月9号. So November, sorry, September 9th. And then Maria said 你们女儿. Emmanuel is Emanuela. 生日 is birthday. 是 is 9月9号, September 9th. So Emanuel's birthday is on September 9th. And then Coach asks, 你的, yours. So he's asking Maria his birthday. 生日 is birthday. 是 is 几月几号 is which month, which day. And then Maria said 6月2号. 6月2号 is June 2nd. And then 你的 is and yours. And Coach said 我的 mine. 生日 is birthday. 是 is 12月. 月 is month and 5号 is 5th. So December the 5th. Takashi birthday is on December 5th and Maria birthday is June 2nd. And then the last dialogue, Emanuela said 你几点睡觉? Ni is you, 几 is what, how many, how much, 点 is o'clock, 睡觉, so what time do you sleep or when you go to the bed? And then Ali said 12点, 12 is 12, 点 is o'clock, so 12 o'clock. And then 你们女儿 said 你中午休息吗? Ni is you, 中午 is afternoon, noon, and 休息 is rest. Ma is a question, so do you rest in the afternoon? Yes. And then Ali said 我不 is no, 休息 is rest, 你呢 and you. And then Ali replied, no, and then Emmanuel said 你下午有课吗? 你下午有课吗? Ni is you, 下午 is afternoon, 有 is have, 课 is class, and 吗 is a question word. And then Emmanuel said 我星期四下午没有课. 我 is me, 星期 is week, 四 is 4, so 星期四 is Thursday. 下午 is afternoon, 没有 is no, 课 is class. So on the afternoon, she doesn't have classes. 但是 but 星期五 is Friday. 下午 afternoon 有课 is have classes. So on the Thursday afternoon, she doesn't have classes, but she do have classes on Friday afternoon. Thank you for listening.